10 benefits of castor oil for skin and hair. The oil from the castor plant's seeds is known as castor oil. It has a very foul stench and is either colorless or extremely pale. Make sure you are not allergic to castor oil by testing a small area of skin before applying it to your body. Consider the following. 1. Remedy for chapped lips. Castor oil is especially beneficial if you have dark, chapped lips. It keeps the lips hydrated and adequately nourished because it is a thick lotion. It can be used to both treat and prevent chapped lips. Your lips will remain rosy and velvety as a result. In fact, it's an ingredient in a few commercial lip care products. 2. Makes eyelashes and brows thicker. If you want to thicken your eyebrows and eyelashes, castor oil can assist because it is a follicle-stimulating and nourishing oil. Protein, vitamins, and fatty acids found in castor oil provide the hair follicles with nutrition and aid in hair growth. Every evening before you go to bed, dip a cotton swab in castor oil and massage it into your eyebrows. Continue doing this until your eyebrows are the desired thickness. 3. Feeds dry skin. A fantastic treatment for dry skin is castor oil. It is excellent for healing dry, flaky skin spots because it can penetrate the skin so deeply. Because castor oil contains so many fatty acids, it promotes healthy skin. It also helps treat skin disorders like dermatitis, which can result in extremely dry, rough skin. Additionally, castor oil aids in the production of elastin and collagen, which keep your skin looking young and delay the onset of aging. 4. Smooths out wrinkles. Castor oil can minimize the appearance of crow's feet, wrinkles, and fine lines because it is a natural moisturizer. Because castor oil may easily penetrate the skin's layers, it does not clog pores. In fact, it can provide nutrients deep within the skin. Additionally, it might lessen the appearance of scars and skin imperfections. 5. Promotes the growth of hair. Castor oil is excellent for your hair as well. Your hair will benefit from a deep conditioning treatment and become thicker. You'll have a head of gorgeous, lustrous, thicker hair as a result. 6. Reduces calluses. Castor oil is a fantastic moisturizer because it is such a thick oil. By treating the dry, rough skin, it aids in the softening of calluses. It promotes softness and wetness when applied to the affected area. It helps to heal dry, cracked heels as well as corns. 7. Heals cracked and brittle nails. Effective at treating weak and damaged nails is castor oil. Castor oil contains a variety of vitamins and minerals that promote nail growth and strength. Additionally, it lowers the risk of fungal infection due to its antifungal characteristics. 8. Relieves sunburn. Castor oil is excellent for curing sunburns since it is highly soothing and reduces swelling. Any blisters from sunburns will be protected by the ricinoleic acid in it. Castor oil can also be used to cure hyperpigmentation and remove blemishes and markings from the skin. 9. Helps to avoid stretch marks. Castor oil helps prevent the development of stretch marks when administered during pregnancy. As a humectant, it aids in retaining moisture and suppleness in your skin. Additionally, the fatty acids in it aid in the creation of skin tissues, improving the elasticity and strength of the skin. 10. Fixes split ends. It's crucial to deeply condition your hair if you want to control split ends. It helps your hair retain moisture and improves its general health. A wonderful option for deep conditioning is castor oil. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.